It's Mr. Downs here from Park Terrace Elementary, just sitting here thinking about you during this time off and what you guys can be doing at home when you're not in the gym or you're online and you're trying to think of something active and something fun and family things. Here it is. It's October 2020 fitness calendar, and these come out each month from Shape America, and what's awesome is they're also interactive. I'm going to send you the PDF, but if you go online and just click on the website below down here, I'll show you right here, the shapeamerica.org publications. It will take you right to the Shape America website, and you can go on some of the links and do some of these awesome things. What I thought for today, since it's Wednesday during MEA, and I know you got a lot of things going on in your mind, families especially, I want you to get your family together, and I want us to do today's together. And today, we're going to do a mindful minute for 60 seconds. I know it's hard for kids, and it's even hard for Mr. Downs, to clear your mind and only focus on your breathing. If your mind starts to wander, bring your attention back to your breathing. Instead of thinking of all the things you have to do today, instead of all the things that's going to be happening with school and COVID, let's just take a mindful minute and clear our minds. You'll be amazed at how much, besides just exercise activity, how much clearing around mindfulness and wellness will help by clearing your mind. Ready? All right, I got 60 seconds on the clock. Here we go. I like to breathe in through my nose, out through my mouth. You can even close your eyes if you want. Deep breath, and out. Is 15 more seconds. Let's take one more breath. Clear all those things out of your mind. Look at that. We just took a mindful minute. We can cross that one off, and we're going to be moving on to some other things. And check out all the great things that are happening in the month of October, National Health Observances. And I will do this each month, like I said, and I want you to be happy, healthy, active. So check them off, send them back, send me some pictures, send me some videos of some of the things you've done each month, and guess what? We'll be just happy and healthy during this time. Have a great day, have a great MEA weekend, and we'll see you soon. Bye.